Hello and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Mocha Chiffon cake. And here are the following ingredients. Kakailanganin natin ng hand mixer, 10-inch springform pan, spatula. Magpe-preheat na rin tayo ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang ating first step dito sa half a cup ng warm milk, i-add natin itong 1 tablespoon ng coffee granules. And we will mix it well para lang ma-dissolve yung ating coffee. Then, pwede na natin i-add itong half a tablespoon ng cocoa powder. And again, we will mix it well. And we'll set this aside. Dito sa ating bowl, isa-separate lang natin yung egg yolks at egg whites. Transfer natin sa isang malaking bowl. Make sure na huwag malalagyan ng egg yolk yung ating egg white. After natin ma-separate yung eggs, we will set this aside. Para naman sa ating dry ingredients, itong 1 1/4 cup ng cake flour, na-sift ko na ito. I-add ko lang yung 1/2 tablespoon ng baking powder. Sift din natin. At yung 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. And hahaluin lang natin to and we will set this aside. Ang ating next step dito naman sa ating 4 egg yolks, isama natin tong half a cup ng granulated sugar or caster sugar. Using a hand mixer, i-mix natin to hanggang maging light pale yellow for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, it's light pale yellow na. Pwede na natin i-add yung 1/4 cup ng oil. At i-add na rin natin yung coffee mixture. I-mix lang natin to for about 30 seconds. And then, pwede na natin i-sift in yung ating dry ingredients. So, mas magandang i-sift uli ito para walang lumps. And again, using a hand mixer, i-mix uli natin to hanggang maging smooth and lump-free for about 1 minute. Then, scrape lang natin yung mga dumikit na flour dun sa gilid. Then, pati na rin dun sa ilalim. And then, i-mix natin to ulit for a few seconds. And we'll set this aside. Dito naman sa egg whites, i-add natin itong 1/4 teaspoon ng cream of tartar. And using our hand mixer, i-beat natin to on high speed hanggang maging bubbly. So pag ganitong bubbly na, dahan-dahan natin i-add yung 1/4 cup ng sugar. Continue lang natin ang pag-beat hanggang maging stiff peak stage. After about 5 minutes, yan, na-reach na natin yung stiff peak. Pagkikita nyo yung dulo, talagang naka-peak na. At pag tinaob nyo, hindi na siya babagsak. This one is ready. Next, mag-scoop lang tayo ng 2 small scoop nitong ating egg white dito sa ating butter. At ihahaluin natin to para lang ma-loosen up yung ating butter. Ayan, na-loosen up na. Pwede na nating i-add yung half portion ng ating egg white. At ipo-fold in natin to gently using a cut and fold method. Make sure na huwag nyo i-overmix ito para hindi ma-deflate yung ating egg white. Pag na-deflate yung ating egg white, babagsak ang inyong chiffon cake. Ang paggawa ng chiffon cake kailangan talaga ng more practice. Ayan, pag ganitong even na ang kulay, pwede na natin i-add yung second portion ng ating meringue. Simutin lang natin lahat ng ating egg whites. And again, ipo-fold in lang natin ito gently. Hanggang sa wala na kayong makitang white streaks. Ayan, after natin ma-gently fold in, wala na akong nakikitang streaks. Kukunin na natin yung ating 10-inch round springform pan. Wala itong grease. And ita-transfer na natin itong ating cake butter. Make sure ang inyong pan ay oil-free. Simutin natin maigi yung mga nasa bowl para walang masayang. Then, i-run nyo lang gently yung spatula para lang dun sa mga air na natrap. Then, linisin lang natin yung pan. Tanggalin lang natin yung mga dumikit. And this one is ready for baking. I-bake natin to for 35 to 40 minutes in our preheated oven. And taktakin nyo lang yung pan para mawala yung mga bubbles. Next, i-combine natin yung 1/4 cup ng warm evaporated milk at 1/2 tablespoon ng coffee granules. Isama na rin natin itong 1 teaspoon ng cocoa powder. We'll mix it well hanggang ma-dissolve and we will set this aside. Next, gawin naman natin yung buttercream. Meron akong 250 grams ng softened butter. Unsalted ito. I-mix natin to hanggang magiging creamy. Pagka ganitong creamy na, pwede na natin i-add itong 1/3 cup ng powdered sugar or icing sugar. Hahaluin lang natin ito ng spatula para hindi tayo mapupulbusan ng icing sugar. And then using a hand mixer, i-cream uli natin ito. Pag itong creamy na, pwede na natin i-add yung coffee mixture. Slowly lang. Huwag natin bibiglain ng pag-add. And then, once creamy, we will set this aside. Kakailanganin din natin ng 3 to 4 same sizes ng cans. Gagamitin lang natin to as a cooling rack. After 40 minutes ng cake sa ating oven, tusukin lang natin ng stick. When it comes out clean, this one is ready. Then, itataob lang natin ito dun sa can na ating prepare. Ipapatong lang natin. And we will cool this down completely. Ang purpose nito ay para maging fluffy yung inyong chiffon cake at hindi ito babagsak. Make sure na halos dun lang sa dulo ng can nakapatong yung ating pan. After 1 hour, malamig na yung ating cake. Itong back ng knife, ipapaikutan lang natin yung around ng cake para mag-loosen up. Then, ibukas lang natin yung spring form pan to release the cake. And then again, itong back ng knife na walang talim, ipaikutan lang natin or scrape natin yung ilalim para lang ma-release yung cake. And then, remove nyo lang yung excess na crumbs dun sa gilid. And then, itong ibabaw may parang dome. Slice through lang natin. Tanggalin lang natin yung nakaumbok. And then, itong tinanggal natin sa ibabaw, set aside nyo lang. Pwede nyo lang papakin. Kuha lang tayo ng cake board. Itaob lang natin. Pabaliktad. Para ma-release natin yung cake. Scoop lang natin yung buttercream on top. And then, using a spatula, spread out lang natin ito. Spread it evenly. Pati na rin dun sa gilid. So, nasa sa inyo na yung kung anong design ng cake ang gusto nyo gawin. Using a spatula, iikot-ikutin ko lang ito on top to make a swirl. Ito na yung gagawin kong design ng cake. Pati na rin dun sa gilid. Pwede din kayong mag-grate ng milk chocolate on top or pwede din kayong gumamit ng chocolate sprinklers. I-refrigerate natin to for 1 hour before serving. And then after 1 hour, pwede na nating i-slice yung cake. And look how soft and fluffy ng ating chiffon cake. And there you have it, our Mocha Chiffon cake. Best served for snack, pwede ding pang business or pang regalo. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat. Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.